lagi mo sinasabi, magaling ako sa magic.
Yeah?
Come here. Okay, magmamagic ako May magic ako sa'yo, best friend, at sobrang matutuwa ka. Do you know, di ba? When you see a bubble, if you touch it, what's gonna happen?
It's gonna pop.
It's gonna pop. But what if I tell you that I have a magic that I can make a bubble play in my hands, not pop it? Okay, I'm gonna show you another magic.
I already know that.
Alam mo na?
I
Kunya, kapag ko na hindi mo alam kunyari, best friend. Parang wow, gagano ka na lang kunyari. Look best friend Best friend, look mo to Oh.
I thought it was white.
Ay! I'm sorry, wait lang. Nagkamali ako, best friend. Wait lang, best friend Ito na. Wow! Ay, best friend! Best friend! Ay! Best friend! Best friend! Ay!
Oopsie.
Kita mo yun? May smoke! Do you wanna try?
Yeah?
Wait lang. Leaper. Ay! Sige na, best friend, ikaw na.
Tandaan kasi excited ka
Nadali na, naisip kasi ako kay Javi. Best friend, magaling talaga ako sa mga magic, di ba?
Yeah.
What do you remember about my magic?
That you made me invisible.
I made you invisible, di ba, sa reality show?
And you guys
Yeah.
didn't notice anything, and I saw it on TikTok that I saw myself in there.
Di ba? You saw yourself on TikTok, but we cannot see you in person. You know me, I have so many magic. You know that. Okay, another one. I really can't sleep. I said, I want to show this to my best friend talaga. I have a magic. Come on, wait. Come on. Oh, dali, best friend ko. Oh, dali na, best friend. Best friend, ayan na. Try mo kaya ikaw magano sa kanya.
Oopsie.
Jowa, papahiya naman tayo kay best friend. Magic ko yan Yan. Best
Kailangan niya kunin.
Best friend, you have to like try to get it. But be very careful, okay? Try to be very careful. Best friend, sandali lang. Sorry Baka napapahiya tayo. Oh, best friend! Best friend ko na mo! Best friend! Best friend, listen. Taas mo. Okay, ito mabilis. Okay, ito na. Taas mo ng konti.
I'm not big.
Okay.
Pwede mong ipan ulit.
Sige, sige. Iba ka, best friend